Kajing alang kaseng Neutral Border Dispute Redressal Forum HBDRF kinong alam snong ka kenhun kiseng tre kambalang haka khatsau terik risau kilapan pau ya kajing persyak kabajur halor kajing temu jong ka sorkar ban penbeit chua ya kapsiar khanduli sektor haka jaka ban shimkhya bat ban penbeit dago pynrung ya kisnong haka blok 1 bat blok 2 syaka jala Meghalaya. Habakren hagajing alang unang aiktian ka HBDRF u Thomas Pasa. Ula ong bakila siyam ya karay da kaway ka sur, kaway ka kunhun, bat kaway ka man, ban bentikna banwan ra ya ka block 1 and 2 siya Meghalaya. Uba pasa ula ong bakila ray ban pyrshah mardor ya kajing pyrshang ka regional committee lan ni ka sorkar jela ban penbeit ya kapsiar khanduli sektor. Da ka baong baka nongrim jongki kalong baka block 1 bat 2 haban ya kren barok kaway namar baka kapsiar baka khanduli kadai ka benta ka block 1. Kumta kanu kajing persyang ka sorkar ban kerentang ya kapsiar bat ka khanduli bat lada pau kajing shisha kasenjo kalarai ban yang persyak bat kinom kersyan ya kajing ya keren ki sorkar arliang mamla. Uba pasa ubalong ru working president ka khun New Trap National Awakening Movement khnam ula ong baki doloi bat ki wahe snong kila pentip bak regional committee kadai ban kentup ya ki ha kajing ya keren penbeit pun ban ya ka bapenlong ya ki tangkum kinong ra shithi na postman penbiang ya ki kot kisla sya ka regional committee. Kajing alang hakani kasingi kalarai banto syaka sorkar haka baya dei bat kanong rim bakiyeng shua baka regional committee kan aya kajing menjur ya kajing akran penbeit put jong ka kala ka baar.
From the side of the HBDRF, Neutral Border Dispute Redressal Forum, we have organized a meeting, a joint meeting, which include the 4 doloi of the area located in the Jante Hills, which include all the NGOs who are in Jante Hills and prominent members, elder members who have a very vast knowledge about the history of our border with the Karbi Anglong and with the headmen and village heads of this border area also. We have organized one meeting today and the objective of the meeting is very simple. To ensure that the block 1, block 2 is being retransferred back to Meghalaya. And this demand is that we have made is based on legal points and the right of the people of Jante Hills. From time to time, there are many documents, evidence have been submitted to the office of the Chief Minister. And we have expected that these documents that we have given to the government will be used to ensure that we make sure and we are able to stake claim on what we are claiming to transfer the block 1 and block 2 back to the state of Meghalaya. And today the meeting has been a very successful one, and the resolution that we have taken today is that all of those concerned who are in Jante Hills, we have decided to come as one force, one voice and one agenda. That is to bring back block 1, block 2 in toto to Meghalaya. That is number 1. Number 2, we have taken a decision to straight away reject any attempt of the regional committee or the state government to address the Psir and the Khanduli sector alone. Our stand has been very clear. Block 1 and block 2 has to be discussed in toto. And Psir and Khanduli is part of block 1. So therefore, as per information that we have received, there is an attempt from the government side to talk only Psir and Khanduli. And if this is true, then we would like to put before the government that we are totally against it. We will not support the government on such decision taken. Number 3, today the few of the headmen Doloi also have informed us that they have not been included into fully in the discussion held in the regional committee. They have been used just as postmen to bring documents, to submit documents. But while discussing what is to be done, they have been left out. So we see that the functioning of this regional committee is somehow not going on the right path. Like we have always made a statement, village head, Doloi has to be fully involved in all discussion and decision taken by the regional committee, which is not so as per the report that we have heard today. And the fourth decision is that we will again write to the government on our stand and to make it again and again we have written, but this time also we'll have to do it again, because as per the news we have heard that maybe the government will be moving on a fast track now to settle down this second phase. So before all those decisions is arrived at, we want to make a very, very strong, firm point to the government. I will tell you very frankly, personally, I don't think we can trust the government, because it has been taking a back stand on its own statement. The fact is this, I would go with what the TCM has said. The only thing is to be done with respect to Block 1 and Block 2 is just to retransfer back to Meghalaya. Now, if we look at the core issue, why was Block 1, Block 2 included in the Karbi? Why in 1951 notification? At that time, there was no Meghalaya, we were part of Assam. So there was no dispute or boundary between Meghalaya and Assam. We were all Assam that time. And this notification was issued in 1951, wherein this Panar area has been included in the Karbi Angalang. The objective is just for administrative efficiency, so that people who are staying in Khanduri don't have to come to Joy subdivision. They can get their administrative work done nearby. So the objective of the 1951 does not arrive at anymore after 1972. Well, 1972, by default, the notification 1951 should have been superseded, and Block 1 and Block 2 should have been back with the state of Meghalaya. But for many reasons, maybe our leaders at that time they did not see the large picture, and maybe the suffering of the people in the border that will happen in the years to come. But from our side, for all the people, stakeholders who are here in Jaintia Hills, we have just one decision, one voice, and to transfer Block 1 and Block 2. And if Deputy CM is making a statement that it was never a disputed area, Block 1 and Block 2, we want to see that in action. We want to see that in action, and let's hope that the long awaiting hopes of the people in Block 1 and Block 2 can be addressed at this time. No, this time not the forum. It's not only the forum will be writing. All stakeholders, NGOs, Doloi, village heads, all other leaders who have been pursuing this issue, all of us will be jointly write to the state of Meghalaya. Today we have already decided, if that is the case, then we will have to resort to other ways and means to ensure that these things does not happen. Because it's very simple. If Khanduli and Psir is being addressed now, it means by default we have lost the rest of Block 1. We have lost all of Block 1, which will be a very, very sad day for the state. All the 36 villages are in Block 1. All of them has to be back in the state of Meghalaya.
If they stress on this, it means they are not sincere for the retransfer of Block 1 and Block 2. Secondly, kindly check all newspaper, both English and vernacular, published in Shillong. Kindly check that it was widely announced by the government that retransfer of Block 1 and Block 2 should be agreed by Assam. Kindly check what other step is taken now for that purpose. These 2 points I would say.
Kumbang ini jing tip kat kum jing keren jong ki arsip minister hang ni jing ilang ke badang sudep mo ki ong balada kumno hapo ka durka puja penlet jurip ye gini ki snong ki badon hagajing ya kejia pot kabalong ban pynbeit no pot usam pedeng gini arjelah te negaliang jungi kumki paj ba pat kum ginong yalam seng bhalang bopher ngidehi ban ya tip ban ya syai halor kan ni kam te mentang ile khot pelong ya gini kejing yalang bagajing tip ke ba ngi yo bat hagajing ya kendu jongi hi bat chief minister ladangam klet haka arp hendu turik jo benai julai ladap ya kendu yo chief minister bat ngahiru ngalebu jing keli yo chief minister dala de mar khmat ngaong ba kat kum jing tip bengi yo ngi pai ni song snong jong ka labang nang plut pangam raliang yo ba kandon kata ka khanduli ba kata ka share sektor on ekran swai ka khanduli ba ka share sektor hadin nang ta on se ekran ka blok 1 yo chief minister lu jubab la ngi baro u ong ba kam don kum kata we bali ekran on ekran lang da baro tang ba ka sorkar ya mentahi kat mentah sedin nimpat yo ka e jing tip na ka sorkar da ka ba syai da ka bi tip pa ba lang rai kala don ka jing tip ka bengi yo ba on let jurip swai ka khanduli ba ka share sektor te ka ne ka pen iba kami desu kat kum jing kred jong chief minister hanga hangi bat ya ka ni ka kam ka ba ka sorkar ka gale te ne kaliang jong hi kum ka forum bat ki parlok sen bhalang bopher bat ki pai nong snong jong elaka labang nang phelut bat ki negiri orang ba nyim sngau ya hap ya ka ne ka jing thmu jong sorkar ban pynbeit swai ka khanduli bat ka share sektor namar nadu handai hanthai nadu ka snam ka khandai spasan phe we haka por bagi dang don bat ka chala asam haka por bagi don tangga we district council united khasi jainte hills kam don kata ka khanduli bat kata ka share sektor ka kes bat ka issue ka long bay hi ban transfer bay ka blok 1 bar blok 2 shapoh Meghalaya tang kata nyimtip nadu menno kami ni ka khanduli bar ka share sektor ka bahangi kan turu ya ka sorkar ba kan ya kren bay ya ka blok 1 barok ko bay namar ada 1 ka blok 1 shapoh Meghalaya automatically ka share ka khanduli kilawan lepas shapoh Meghalaya bat pen sukhiru ya ka sorkar bahkan ombun kam ta ter kane ka dei ka way ka mat jong jing yalang ka bangi yalang mentah bat sagaway ni shim karai ba ni kentu ye kine ki sau tuligi elaka sau ngut ki doloi mo lai ngut ki doloi bapura doloi jong elaka raliang doloi jong elaka chiri mentang ba doloi jong elaka nong jingi tiki li don lang hi mentah bat ngi hagan ni jing yalang bat u acting doloi ba shu thung jong elaka labang nang phelut bo pli ne doloi umpat yo sanat na ini umpat yo jing thu na ini ru henre khnang ban omja kata ka nam kata ka kerting te ngi ki pa ni chnong ke beron hopok ka elaka ni sujit bat pen khamti ukung ta acting doloi ke ni ru le wan lang bat ni larai ba kiru kila ya menjur ban ya trelang ban ai jing tho ka sorkar ban pen ban pen phai biang ya kini gi jaka jong ki bala chak ta ha kata ka jing pen hab jubor jong sorkar asam bat sekaway te ngilarai mentah ban ye kendu ye ke sorkar bat ban ai gini kijing ai cimut ke jungi ke sorkar ye ke pori ke terik ngimpat laom ban ong ngin se kendu bat gini lam seng balang bopher bat gini giri urang ba ngin se pen krei kijing tho ngin se drafi jing tho hadin beli yo ye kijing tho tingin sa panik appointment on yo appointment ngin se kendu yo chief minister bat kumju ya chairman jong regional committee mereka page gini jeka bahas nyau balang dhar te ngila don ru kejing ya pen kejing ngerai ban ya tai halor ka notification khat khandai spasan phewe hato la super sit sishane kumno hato kalong anh hadu katno kani ka notification khat khandai spasan phewe ya kata ngin sia pen bek bat anda la bek ka kam ke jam ngin sia ai jingtip namar ba kum balong menta ni yo jingtip lang hibaro ba ki karbi ki stick bek ki ong bek ba kat kum ka notification khat khandai spasan phewi kila don kata ka national boundary ke jongki ti halor kata ka jing kam trai jong karbi dan ni kata ka nongrim ka bagi karbi ki yeng ngin ya thir janai ba halor ni ka kam da ka ba pen long ye ki kenca seminar mo dan ni ki jing yalang ban ya halor ka ni